I'm Goacher with GSL in Wathena, Kansas. We're here at the 2018 SEMA show in the gear vendors booth. I've been in the industry for, really I grew up in shops. My dad's been doing muscle cars and restorations forever, and I've kind of grown into that a little bit, and I've done some trucks and different things like that, and then I wanted to do a muscle car build. So this is basically the outcome of that. I've got a 68 Nova that looks like a muscle car, but is a street rod, it's a race car, it's pretty much an everything all in one. It's got a 632 twin turbo big block in it, it's got a Mark Mickey Turbo 400 in it, along with the gear vendor, so that allows it to be a total street car. We can run 70 mile an hour down the highway with no problems. It's got a removable front radiator in it, we can pull out for weight, but it still is a street car. It's got a removable gas tank in the back. It's got a 17-gallon gas tank in the back that's removable for street driving. It's got Brakeman brakes on it. It's really just a good all-around car. It's got full custom leather interior in it, so it is comfortable for those drag week times. The 632 that's in it, the twin turbo 632, will be capable of producing 3,000 plus horsepower. The intercooler and the ice tank we've hidden underneath the dash to hide all the piping. So really all we have is the chrome headers, and the chrome that you see there coming out of the turbo is going into the underneath of the dash, where all that stuff is hidden really well. The black that's on it is a custom black that we make in-house, along with the candy blue that's on all the roll cage. The underneath side of it is fully custom painted, just like the top. All the bars are blue, the body is black. Everything pretty much that unbolts off of it is chrome. Quarter mile wise, we hope the car will run high sixes. We're going to run it in some drag week classes, obviously. We'd like to do some radial stuff, some small tire stuff with it. Hopefully it's competitive in some radial classes that we're going to take it to.